Hey class, my name's Hamza. It looks like some of you guys still have problems in Discord setting up your IDE, so I'm going to quickly just show you how to create one. This is just a tutorial video to show you how to do it. I'm not 100% correct, so I'm not liable if you guys do mess up or anything like that, but at least I show you the right path to see how I set it up then. So first, we're going to set up an IDE properly with class code. So what you're going to do is download the class code from D2L. It's going to be under like a Riley publish zip. You unzip it and then you go in this file path. So then publish, code, source, homework 1, and source. And basically you're going to get these files that you need for homework 1. Okay, once that's done, you're going to create a new project for homework 1 and create a new package called homework 1 for this project. So we're going to create a project. So right click new, Java project. And in this case, we're going to call the project name homework 1. I already have homework 1 set up, but I'm going to call it homework 1 test to show you how it's created. Okay, once we're done, we're going to click finish, and then you're going to click don't create. And then what is this? Is that you're going to get this. Hold up. Sorry, I'm going to create it one more time because I missed a step. Homework 1 test. Great. Okay, so what we're going to do is that, as you can see, we don't have JUnit installed, so we need to install JUnit. So we're going to do that, get out of the way. We're going to right click, you're going to go to properties, you're going to go to Java build path, and then we're going to go to class path where it says here, click add library, go to JUnit, and then we're going to install JUnit 5, the latest version. And then once you're done, click finish. Click apply and close, and then you can see we have the JUnit library installed. Okay, so we got that done on the way too. So then we're going to create a copy of files and then a new project for homework 1. So we're going to right click, call it right click, and then click new, and you're going to create a new class, and you're going to call this homework 1. Yeah, just call it homework 1 like it says, and it's going to create this basically Java file. So we're going to just get this, delete this. Actually, you know what? We're going to copy this because we're going to need this in the future. So it's going to create a file, click copy, right click, and we're going to delete the Java file. Continue. Okay, and then what we're going to do is that number of the files that that I showed you for homework 1, these 6 files, we're going to take all of these and we're going to copy it to homework 1, okay? It's going to say homework 1, it's not going to say homework 1 test for you, but you're going to open the first file and you're going to take this and you're going to enter, and then you're going to type in package homework 1. Mine's going to say package homework 1 test because this is the package I created, but yours is going to say package homework 1, okay? So click save. We're going to go to the next file. So go over here, go plus, go here, insert package 1. It's going to say package homework 1. And by the way, from whenever I told in Discord, we have to get rid of this indentation, import JUnit framework. That's what I've been told. I'm not 100% sure, but you know, I recommend just try to figure out yourself and confirm yourself. Once you delete this, you're going to get a bunch of error statements. So what we're going to do is that we're going to delete assert from each one of these. So click Control F or find. You're going to type in assert dot and replace it with nothing, okay? Once you're done, you're going to click replace all. Okay, close. And then what we're going to do is we're going to Control S, save the file, okay? Go to the next one. Do the same thing, click enter, type in package 1, click save. It's going to say, like I said, package homework 1. Go to the next one. We're going to delete the assert file or indentation out. Package 1, okay, we're going to delete the assert dots. The reason why I think I was told to delete assert dots because that's using JUnit 3 and we're using JUnit 5, so that's why it's creating the error. Okay, can save. We're going to go do the next one. Complete the methods, paste. Okay, control save. Go to the last one. Open it. Indentation out. Package 1, homework 1. And then we're going to delete the assert, replace all. Good. Okay, control save. And then you can try to test it out. So we're going to launch our video test Java file. It's going to run. And you can see that JUnit is working because then you can see the test is filled. So you know how JUnit's working. Last but not least, how to do JavaDocs. So this step is important in order to get JavaDocs for each of the assignment. So in order to get the JavaDocs file, you're going to go to Project, and you're going to create JavaDoc. And what it does is that it creates a JavaDoc needed for the homework, or that's required for the homework. So we're going to select homework 1, click finish. Yeah, sure, yes to all. It's then going to create the JavaDocs that you need. And then once you see it, you're going to see docs. And this is the JavaDocs that they're talking about in D2L. Like it says, run JavaDocs. View the team files hash that. You can do the hash code thing yourself. But then you can actually open the HTML files. And this is the JavaDocs that it's talking about. Hope this helps. Again, my name's Hamza. On Discord, it's 2% milk. And yeah, good luck.